Come on.
You alright, mate?
Come on. Wait.
Come here, Mel. Come here, good girl. Come here. It's the early spring bird song that does it for me. Listen. Cockster Brook Valley. Well, that's the brook there. Over to my left. And this is the valley. And this is near Heron Cross, Hollybush, Blayton, Stoke-on-Trent. Really, all this here is a middle of, or at least the side of, 10 minutes walk from the middle, 15 minutes walk from the middle of a big housing estate. Hollybush, part of Blayton. So almost on the doorstep, look. And just before my 3 minutes are up for my shorty, I will tag this to one of my longer walkabouts in this here community park, nature park. That's Cockster Brook. Thanks for looking in. Bye for now.